Alright, so I just got my quantum fuel system fuel pump for my Husky 501. We have it here, and we're going to do an install on the stock tank, which we have right here. So pretty easy. Now I will say I did do a modification, so when you are in the field, if for some reason the fuel pump goes, I bought a replacement one from Quantum, and this goes under my seat. And the only modification I did is I changed out this hose with these clamps here, so that in the field all I need is a screwdriver to replace the fuel pump if I had to. Okay, so to make this modification, what you have to do is you do have to desolder the two little pins here so that you can easily, take them off and on in the field. And then the two clamps, the hose, and you're all set to go. Okay, so to install the pump into the tank, we're going to use a piece of wire. We're going to thread it through here. And then out through the top. And this is going to allow us to feed the pump in. It's going to be a lot easier to work with. So we have a wire coming out here. Now we're going to attach it this one. Now it is a little tricky, so you might have to do it a couple times until you get it. And now you can see here, those guys are right there. So once you get these two lined up, you can do it two ways. You can use the hose that comes with it, but it's a little trickier because it's pretty short. So instead I'm using this long one here, screw it in, and once it's screwed in, then we can take the wire out and continue. So once we got the wire off, now we can go ahead and screw this guy in to secure it. And now we'll remove this one. And attach the hose. So there's an O-ring in here that's sealing it off, so you don't have to apply tons of pressure to tighten this guy. Like that's good right there. And then same with this one. So we have a 17 for the larger one and a 13. About right there. Good. All right, so the last thing we need to do is just attach the connector here. Now you want to make sure that the opening is facing upwards. And you grab your screws, and these also don't have to be tightened that much. Just get all of them in, and then we can tighten one by one.
Just like that.
Again, these don't need to be tightened that much, just because of that big O-ring that comes with it. And there you have it.